Okay, your status register is, I believe it's an 8-bit number, but it's a binary number where each bit is a flag. So typically, all these bits will be set to zero. Okay, and when it's the status register is looked at, you quite commonly see them where they're all zeros. If any of those bits are turned to a one, then depending on its position, so if it's the third one, it would mean one thing. If it's the fourth one, it would mean another. If any of those bits are turned to one, that holds meaning. So it is typically used for stuff about the current operation. So if you were currently adding some numbers together, if there was a carry bit, you might change the status register. You might change, I don't know what, let's say position two of the status register, you would change to a one, and then the computer knows as it's continuing to add up the numbers, it knows that there was previously a carry bit, and then that would inform the arithmetic going forward. So if you were carrying things over, if you're working with positive or negative numbers, there's a bit for that. That's what the status register is. So they're all it's a however long it is. I think it's 8-bit, 16-bit, whatever. It's a binary number where they're all typically set to zero and they're known as flags. So it's not each position holds different meaning, and if they are set to a one, that flags to the system that within this current operation this has happened, and then it's useful for either the next operation or for that current operation to then do something else. So that's known as the status register. It just represents the current status of the current operation.